Now let's focus how we can convert any number significant figure, right? If they ask to convert to two significant figure, three significant figure, or sometime one significant figure, so how we can convert it, right? Now I will get three example here. Now first one, this, right? I will show you here easy method, right? Now let's we get this first one, right? 76,742. Now what you need to check, this number from here. Now when we read, normally we read like this, so from here, whether you meet where you meet digit except 0, right? Digit mean here 1 to 9, any number, right? 1 2 3 4 5, like that, any number till to 9, but except 0. So when you consider this number, first one is a that kind of digit, so we can consider this as a significant figure, right? Now when you look here, these are not this is not the first significant figure, because this is a 0. So this also not first significant figure, this also not first significant figure, because this is a digit, this is a 0, not a digit 1 to 9. So that's why these are not first significant figure, right? Here 7, no, 7 is a digit except 0, one digit, 1 to 9 number, no. So this is a first significant figure, you can consider as this has a first significant figure. Now for example, let's say think this is they asked to convert to two significant figure, 2SF, right? So how we can convert this one, two significant figure? This is the first significant figure because this is the digit except 0, 1 to 9. So this is the first significant figure. Then this is the second, right? Now I will make line here. You don't need to make line here. You just need to think here. Now they ask to convert to two significant figures. So this is the first significant figure. This is the second. Now this is, you have to consider, that means now they asked to two significant figure. You need to consider third significant figure because of that. Third significant figure is greater than 5 or equal to 5, then we add 1 here to this digit, right? So that means to second significant figure, so it will be 7 7. Now then after these digit we need to put 0, right? Very carefully try to understand, these are digit before the decimal point. Now in this number also decimal point is here, so these 742, these are before the decimal point digit, so we must put 0 here. So this is the answer if you convert this one into two significant figure. Okay, now let's go to this one. Now this is we convert to three significant figure, 3SF, three significant figure. Let's convert this to three significant figure, right? Now it has 28.034. Now this here also, this is the first significant figure, right? Because this is a digit 1 to 9, not a 0. So this is, you can consider as first significant figure. Then this is the second significant figure, and this whole 0 also third significant figure. You can consider this as third significant figure, because now I told you we need to consider a digit except 0, 1 to 9, 1 to 9, any digit except 0, normally 1 to 9 numbers. So this is a 1 to 9 number, that must that is for first significant figure. Then after any other number, doesn't matter, even 0 we consider as significant figure. Now this 2 is first significant figure, 8 second, then 0 third significant figure, this 3 is fourth significant figure, 4 is 5 significant figure, like that, fifth significant figure, like that. After that it's okay, but first significant figure must be a number 1 to 9, 1 to 9, any number, we must have that kind of number to consider as first significant figure. Then after any number, maybe 0, it's okay, you can consider as significant figures, right? For example, this one, now here 2 is the first significant figure, then after 8 is second significant figure, then 0 is the third significant figure, so it's okay. Right, now we need to convert to third significant figure now. So this is first significant figure, second, third. Here I will put line. Then now when we consider next significant figure, because they asked to convert to third significant figure, so here fourth significant figure is less than 5, so we don't need to add anything here. So answer will be 28.0. And here very carefully think, these two digits you don't need to put 0 because it's a after decimal point, and also they not ask they ask till to third significant figure, right? These digits are after decimal point digit, right? So answer will be like this. Now third one, right? Here 0.00457. Now what is the first significant figure here? This is not first significant figure, this is also not first significant figure because these are zeros. This is also not first significant figure. This is the first significant figure, right? This fourth is the first significant figure. 4, then 5 is the second significant figure, like that. So now if they ask to convert this to first significant figure, right? So this will be for significant figure. So now this is 5, no? So 5 or greater than 5, we must add 1 here. So it will be 0.005 because we add 1 here, because they asked to convert to first significant figure. Second significant figure is greater than 5 or equal to 5, we must add 1 here. So this 5, no? So equal to 5, so I add 1 here. So then after these two digits, I don't need to put anything. So it will be answer like this, right? Here, if you have any problem, questions, ask from me in the comment section.